All right, everybody, you have made it to your first academic topic and your first small assessment and video. This week we're doing heart rate zones, so you guys kind of know a little bit more about why we're using the heart rate monitors and what it means for you during your workouts. So again, this video is only going to be like 2 minutes long. I'll talk through it. Then there's a little assessment. There's 3 questions on it. Make sure you look at these slides, listen to this video, and you should be good to go as long as you get it done by Sunday. All right, so as you can see here, we've got 5 heart rate zones. All right, the gray one is going to be the first one on the bottom. That is the one you're going to be in as soon as you put your heart rate monitor on when you're not really moving. You could be in the gray zone all day long, okay? So each zone has its own benefit. So as you can see, okay, for the gray zone, it's going to improve your overall health, okay? This is where you're going to be in that recovery zone. Feels pretty easy. Again, you can do it for a long time. As you start to warm up and start to get a little bit more fatigued, we're going to move up to our blue zone. Okay, you could still be here for a really long time. Okay, this is going to be going on a long bike ride, a nice easy jog, maybe a long walk, something like that. Something you can maintain for like 40 to 80 minutes. Then we're going to get to our green zone. This is kind of where we're going to start trying to be in this class. Okay, we want to at least be in the green, if not orange and red on most of the days. But again, I'll give you which zones you need to be in. Okay, but just know that green one's the middle one there. That's where we're going to start improving our aerobic fitness. Guys, you can still hopefully breathe pretty easy. You're not getting super winded, but hopefully you can do this for a long time. Then we're going to move up to our orange zone. Okay, this is where we're going to start kind of pushing it a little bit. You can be here for probably about 10 minutes. You're going to start to fatigue a little bit. Breathing is going to get a little bit heavier, and you're going to start getting challenged once you hit this orange zone. The very last one is going to be the red zone. We're only here for like 1 to 5 minutes. So this is if we're all out sprinting. You're going as fast as you can, as hard as you can. Super heavy weights. Your muscles are going to fatigue, okay, super heavy breathing, and definitely after a couple minutes, you're going to have to take a break. So we'll only be in this red zone for short spurts of time. So normally we'll climb up, maybe we'll hit that red, and then we'll go all the way back down. Okay, we'll never have to stay in that red zone for much longer than a minute at a time. All right, so those are your 5 zones. That should give you everything you need to know for your little small assessment. Make sure you do that assessment before Sunday. Again, it's literally 3 questions. Get it turned in, start the school year off right, and we'll see you guys in class.